active voice becomes the object of the passive voice, and the object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. And the main verb in the passive voice is in the third form. That means past participle. And before the main verb, there is the be verb in the passive voice. And this becomes be verb. This is the form. In the simple present is, am, are in the passive voice. In the present continuous is, am, are plus being. In the present perfect has or have been. In the simple past was or were. In the continuous tense, that is in the past continuous tense, was or were being. In the past perfect, had been. In the simple future, shall or will be. In the perfect tense, future perfect, shall or will have been. The pronoun. The subject I becomes me in the object, we becomes us, you becomes you, he becomes him, she becomes her, they becomes them in the object. And the voices of the various tenses. In the simple present, in the active voice, I take it, it is taken by me. In the present continuous, I am taking it, it is being taken by me. In the present perfect, I have taken it, it has been taken by me. In the past, simple past, active voice, I took it, passive, it was taken by me. In the past continuous, I was taking it, it was being taken by me. In the past perfect, I had taken it, it had been taken by me. In the future, simple future, I shall take it, it will be taken by me. Continuous tense. Future perfect, I shall have taken it, it will have been taken by me. Question 1. Painting interests me. Painting, subject, interests, verb, me, object. I am interested in painting. Simple present tense. Question 2. He tells a true story. He subject tells verb, a true story object. A true story is told by him. Is be verb told past participle of the verb tell. Question 3. They promise us good rewards. They subject promise verb, us object, good rewards object. We are promised good rewards by them. Good rewards are promised us by them. Question 4. He bought a bat from Bombay. Simple past. He subject bought verb, a bat object from Bombay extra. A bat was bought by him from Bombay. Question 5. A car ran over a little girl. A car subject ran over verb, a little girl object. A little girl was run over by a car. Question 6. The cat killed a rat. A rat was killed by the cat. Question 7. They will make her happy. Future tense, simple future. They will make her happy. She will be made happy by them. She will be made happy by them. 8. I shall never leave you. You will never be left by me. You will never be left by me. Question 9. They will build a big building. They, subject will build, verb, a big building, object. A big building will be built by them. Question 10. She is cutting a cake with a fork. Present continuous. A cake is being cut by her with a fork. Question 11. She is making a noise in the class. A noise is being made by her in the class. Question 12. He is writing a story now. He, subject, is writing, verb, a story, object, now extra. A story is being written by him now. Question 13. The mother was calling her maid. The maid was being called by the mother. The maid was being called by the mother. Question 14. The driver was speeding the car. Past continuous tense. The driver, subject, was speeding, verb, the car, object. The car was being sped by the driver. Speed is the main verb. Past participle is sped, S-P-E-D. Question 15. He was having a good meal. A good meal was being had by him. A good meal was being had by him. Question 16. I have told you so. Present perfect tense. I have told you so. I, subject, have told, verb, you, object, so extra. You have been told by me so. Question 17. He has done his job. His job has been done by him. 18. She has spoken to him. She has spoken to him. She has spoken to him. He has been spoken to by her. He has been spoken to by her. Question 19. The boy had painted a picture. Past perfect tense. A picture had been painted by the boy. The boy, subject, had painted, verb, a picture, object. A picture had been painted by the boy. Question 20. They had shown the way. They, subject, had shown, verb, the way, object. The way had been shown by them. Question 21. They had won the election. The election had been won by them. He gave her a present. He, subject, gave, verb, her, object, a present, object. There are two objects over here. She has been given a present by him. A present has been given her by him. A present has been given her by him. Question 2. Father is sending me a costly watch. Father, subject, is sending, verb, me, object, a costly watch, object. I am being, B-E-I-N-G, being sent, S-E-N-T, sent. I am being sent a costly watch by father. A costly watch is being sent me by father. Question 3. She was handed a chair by him. She was handed a chair by him. A chair was, she was handed a chair by him. He handed her a chair. He handed her a chair. Question 4. I was offered a job by my friend. Passive voice. I was offered a job by my friend. My friend offered me a job. Question 5. They will lend me money. Money will be lent me by them. I will be lent money by them. They subject will lend verb, me object, money object. Question 6. He teaches us English every day. He subject teaches verb us object English object everyday extra. We are taught English by him every day. We are taught English by him every day. Question 7. My parents promised me a nice present. My parents subject promised verb me object a nice present object. I was promised a nice present by my parents. A nice present was promised me by my parents. 8. My friend will send me a gift. My friend subject will send verb me object a gift object. I will be sent a gift by my friend. A gift will be sent me by my friend. Question 9. A card was sent to her by her mother. A card was sent to her by her mother. She was sent a card, or her mother sent her a card. Her mother sent her a card. Question 10. He gave you a good kick. He subject gave verb you object a good kick object. You were given a good kick by him. A good kick was given you by him. Question 11. We were told stories by our grandmother. Passive voice. Our grandmother told us stories. Question 12. I shall teach you a good lesson. I shall teach you a good lesson. I subject shall teach verb you object a good lesson object. You will be taught a good lesson by me. A good lesson will be taught you by me. Question 13. She bought the baby a doll. She subject bought verb the baby object a doll object. The baby was bought a doll by her. The baby was bought a doll by her. Question 14. He lent me a pen. He subject lent verb me object a pen object. I was lent a pen by him. A pen was lent me by him. Question 15. I was told the truth by the boy. I was told the truth by the boy. The boy told the truth by me. The boy told the truth to me. The boy told the truth. The boy told the truth. Passive of orders. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Tell him to stop. He be instructed to stop. He be instructed to stop. You order him to stop. Let he be stopped. Tell him to stop. Let he. Passive of ditransitive. Sometimes transitive verb has two objects. He gave me a pen. I sent him a card. He gave me a pen. Me, object, a pen, object. He gave me a pen. A pen was given me by him. I was given a pen by him. Question 2. I sent him a card. He is sent a card by me. A card is sent him by me. Transitive verb has two objects. He gave me a pen. I sent him a card. He gave me a pen. Me, object, a pen, object. He gave me a pen. A pen was given me by him. I was given a pen by him. Question 2. I sent him a card. He is sent a card by me. A card is sent him by me. I send a card to him. A card is sent him by me. A card is sent to him by me. Do it now. Let it be done now. Give an example. Let an example be given. Come in. You are told to come in. Please do it. You are requested to do it. Let him do the sum. Let the sum be done by him. Question 1. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Question 2. Tell him to stop. He should be asked to stop. He should be asked to stop. Or he should be told to stop. Question 3. Your word should be kept. Passive voice. You should keep your word. Question 4. Please go there. You are requested to go there. Question 5. Let this task be done. Passive voice. You should do this task. Question 6. Do your work sincerely. You are asked to work sincerely. Question 7. Obey the orders of your elders. You are advised to obey the order of your elders. You are advised, advised, advised to obey the orders of your elders. Question 8. Love it or leave it. You are asked to love it or leave it. Question 9. Let him be told to go. He should be asked to go. Let him be told to go. Tell him to go. Tell him to go. Question 10. You are requested not to speak. Please do not speak. Question 11. Please keep off the grass. You are requested to keep off the grass. Question 12. Don't close the door. You are asked not to close the door. You are asked not to close the door. Question 13. Keep to the left. You are asked to keep to the left. Question 14. Let him be ordered to do. He should be ordered to do. Question 15. Let me do it. You are asked to I should do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. I should be allowed to do it. I should be allowed to do it. Question 16. Let them solve the sum. They should be allowed to do the sum. They should be allowed to solve the sum. They should be allowed to solve the sum. Question 17. Go to school. You are advised to go to school. 18. Complete your task. You are asked to complete your task. Modal passive. Modals are shall, will, can, could, may, might, must, should, ought to. She can drive a car. A car can be driven by her. You should read the text. The text should be read by you. She may type the report. The report may be typed by her. He could do the sum easily. The sum could be done easily by him. We will speak the truth. The truth will be spoken by us. You must do it. Question 1. It must be done by you. Question 2. I can do the sum. The sum can be done by me. Question 3. You ought to tell me. I ought to be told by you. Question 4. They may win the match. The match may be won by them. Question 5. It need not be done by you. Passive voice. You need not do it. Question 6. He could paint it. It could be painted by him. Question 7. You might help him. You might help him. He might be helped by you. He might be helped by you. Question 8. She will spoil the picture. The picture will be spoilt by her. The picture will be spoilt by her. Question 9. He will not be hated by her. He will not be hated by her. He will not be hated by her. She will not hate him. She will not hate him. Question 10. You should complete the task in time. You should complete the task in time. The task should be completed by you in time. Use subject. The task object. In time extra. Should complete verb. The task should be completed by you in time. Do you like coffee? Statement. You like coffee. Passive. Coffee is liked by you. Question. Is coffee liked by you? Does she see the snake? She sees the snake. The snake is seen by her. Question. Is the snake seen by her? Did he eat meat? He ate meat. Meat was eaten by him. Was meat eaten by him? Who has taken it? Statement. Who has taken it? Passive. By whom it has been taken? Question. By whom has it been taken? Question mark. How did he do it? Statement. How he did it. Passive. How it was done by him. Question. How was it done by him? Question 1. Do you like home task? Is home task liked by you? Question 2. Does he do his duty daily? Is his duty done daily by him? Question 3. Will you speak me the truth? Will the truth be spoken by me? Will you speak the truth? Will you speak me the truth? Will the truth be spoken to me by you? Question 4. Was the duty done by her? Did she do her duty? Question mark. Did she do her duty? Question 5. Did the girl score the goal? Was the goal scored by the girl? Question 6. Have you sold it? Has it been sold by you? Has it been sold by you? Question mark. Question 7. How has it been done by her? How has she done it? How has she done it? Question mark. Question 8. Is the lady liked by all? Do all like the lady? Do all like the lady? Question mark. Question 9. Did she give her cat a kiss? Was her cat given a kiss by her? Question mark. Question 10. Who told you the story? By whom were you told the story? By whom were you told the story? Question mark. Question 11. Who has spoilt the picture? By whom has the picture been spoilt? Question mark. Question 12. Have you ever seen the sea? Have you ever seen the sea? Has the sea ever been seen by you? Has the sea been ever seen by you? Question mark. Question 13. What did she do? What did she do? What did she do? What was done by her? What was done by her? Question 14. What do you want? What is wanted by you? Question mark. What is wanted by you? Question mark. Question 15. Did she do the dishes? Did she do the dishes? Were the dishes done by her? Were the dishes done by her? Have you painted the picture? Has the picture been painted by you? Has the picture been painted by you? Question mark. Question 17. Who has broken the cup? Who has broken the cup? By whom has the cup been broken? By whom has the cup been broken? 20. Passive without the doer. My pocket has been picked. Somebody has picked my pocket. My shoe was repaired yesterday by someone. Someone repaired my shoe yesterday. The coffee will be served soon by someone. Someone will serve the coffee soon. The student was promoted by the headmaster. The headmaster promoted the student. It will soon be forgotten by people. People will soon forget it. 6. My watch has been lost. I have lost my watch. The thief was arrested by the police. The police arrested the thief. Question 1. Somebody has put out the light. The light has been put out. Question 2. Smoking should be prohibited. The government should prohibit smoking. Question 3. The police arrested him. He was arrested by the police. Question 4. Someone sells shells here. Shells are sold here. Question 5. I have sold my cycle. My cycle has been sold. Question 6. The total eclipse was seen in 1995. People saw the total eclipse in 1995. 7. I have been invited to the party. My friend has invited me to the party. Question 8. Our army has been defeated. The enemy has defeated our army. Question 9. The master dismissed the man. The man was dismissed. The man was dismissed. Question 10. We were told the story. The story was told. The story was told. 11. The thief was caught. The police caught the thief. The police caught the thief. Question 12. He was sent out of the class for cheating. The teacher sent him out of the class for cheating. Question 13. People speak English all over the world. English is spoken all over the world. Question 14. The lion is called the king of beasts. We call the lion the king of beasts. Question 15. He was shot with a pistol. A man shot him with a pistol. 16. They painted the house white. The house was painted white.